Every second you hesitate with your capital feels like money bleeding straight out the door. You sit on piles of cash, drowning in endless decisions, paralyzed while the market shifts and your competitors sharpen their knives. The real war in hedge funds isn't about finding the next shiny strategy or chasing the latest tech. It's about mastering capital allocation. The brutal truth? Misallocating capital is the silent killer of legacies. You're not just losing profits. You're bleeding trust, opportunity, and control. Your capital is screaming for direction and you're letting it decay into noise, mediocre deals, and half-baked ideas. The system pushes complexity, so you hide behind algorithms and consensus, pretending to control risk, but risk laughs at your caution. It's in everything you don't see, everything you underestimate. Listen carefully. The biggest hedge fund headache isn't portfolio construction or alpha generation in a vacuum. It's the ruthless discipline of where, when, and how every dollar moves. Capital is your fighter, your soldier. Without clear orders, it becomes a liability. Stop letting your capital wander. Strip away every guess, every soft assumption, obsess over high conviction. Tear apart every allocation decision until it burns clarity into your mind. Does this bet scream upside or scream danger disguised as opportunity? Now here's the harsh medicine. Most funds are sitting fat and lazy on cash because they're terrified of missing out, or locked in outdated frameworks that reward comfort, not guts. If you recognize this, you're already ahead. The question is, how obsessed with the truth are you? First, dial in your capital allocation process like it's your heartbeat. No fluffy multi-factor models that soothe ego but ignore context. Every allocation must be linked to your absolute best insight about markets, management, and timing. Scrub each potential investment through a ruthless filter. How does this move your fund forward? Will it crush competition or just keep you afloat? Stop diversifying for safety's sake. Diversification is a mask for uncertainty, and hedge funds that hide behind it create mediocre returns and brittle portfolios. Second, absolute capital sovereignty. Own your decisions and act decisively. No committee paralysis, no infinite debate that kills momentum. When conviction hits, strike hard and fast. Capital moves only when it's aligned with a nerve so sharp that holding back feels like betrayal. Third, create a direct feedback loop that kills bias and dullness. Weekly hard reviews of capital deployment. What worked, what burned, where emotion overrode logic. Brutal truth will save you when arrogance won't. Cut quick, double down where it counts. Hedge funds miss out because they can't admit when a bet is dead weight or a bright spot burning too late. And here's the kicker. Your capital isn't just dollars, it's a statement of your mindset. It's power hunting for its rightful owner. Control your capital, control your fate. Don't let the system's illusions trap your best ideas in the status quo. Tear down the old rules that say capital should sit in safety nets or political approval. You're building something beyond borders, beyond complacency. Supply capital like a weapon forged in obsession. Seek out investments nobody else dares to touch because they lack courage or clarity. Back founders who challenge reality, not those who fit comfort zones. Align your portfolio with mission-driven innovation, ruthless efficiency, and absolute freedom from mediocrity. This is a call to every leader who feels the fire in their gut. If you want to smash limits, reshuffle the game, and cut through the noise with a scalpel, start by mastering capital allocation. It's not the biggest hedge fund challenge because it's complex. It's the biggest because every second wasted is a war lost. Own it fiercely. Allocate capital with the precision of a surgeon and the guts of a warrior. Because only then does your hedge fund stop surviving and start conquering.